Expanded form. The expanded form of a number is the sum of the place value of each digit in the number. Example: find the expanded form of the number 3579. Solution: 3579. The place value of 9 is 9 times 1 equals 9. The place value of 7 is 7 times 10 equals 70. The place value of 5 is 5 times 100 equals 500. The place value of 3 is 3 times 1000 equals 3000. The place value of the digits in the number 3579, starting from the extreme left, are 3000, 500, 70, and 9. Thus, the expanded form of 3579 is 3000 plus 500 plus 70 plus 9.